Hi, Coach John here with another tip on things that you need to know about life coaching. Did you know that a good life coach is trained to help you work through challenging issues of life? That's right. A life coach is trained and even skilled in the area of taking every issue and looking at it, pulling it apart, helping you to process through the things that have held you back. A life coach will come alongside of you, will not condemn you, will not judge you, but will patiently and will compassionately listen and help you to come up with conclusions, with things that you need to do to move forward and to move beyond issues. Everybody has issues, and a good life coach will help you to process through those to where that issue is no longer a constraint and you can move forward in whatever area it is where you need your help. So a good life coach will help you to move through challenging issues.